Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change language for a voice guide for a headphone Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by open Headphones application, go to System, scroll down, and we can see a line notification and voice guide. So click More and choose language what you like. Let's say Spanish, and done. Okay. And click OK. Here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!